So we are on the website of Pro 1122. The first impression is quite good as it's telling about the products: tea tree, lemon, rosemary, different flavors, new arrivals, and the oils which they manufacture and sell. There are various options of shopping as well. So we're selling products. So let's try adding something to the cart. It's very easy to add something into the cart. Yep. Spark, yeah, coupons. We can add coupons, total. It's very easy to buy from the website. Let's try sharing. Shop now. Well, it's a bit difficult to check where the share option is. Blog. So as we are on the blogs of the website, 3 top essential oils you should have used in your home. For products, read more. And we can share it on the various social media platforms: Facebook, Google+, Pinterest, Twitter. Yeah. So the graphic of the website is quite normal. It's not that catchy. They can make it more attractive, but yeah, there are a lot of products which we can use and would be very beneficial for us, and all the blogs are very relevant with their products. Out of 10, I could rate the website as 7. They could make it more attractive and could made it more influencing for the customers to buy the products, and could tell what the benefits their products could give to the customers. Thank you.